Hey guys, it's Tekkid here, back with my second video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a light following bristle bot. And I'm going to be doing this video with one of my friends, Keegan! Hello everyone! So today we're going to be showing you how to build a light following bristle bot. So now that you know what we're going to do, you need to know what parts you're going to need to do it. So first thing you need, toothbrushes. Now you can either buy the really expensive toothbrushes that already have slanted bristles, or you could just buy non-expensive ones and you can just cut the bristles at a slant.
Second part you need is a battery. The battery is the part of the robot that projects most of the power to the robot.
And then you need a breadboard where you plug is the place where you plug everything in.
Next you need is the switch. The switch is the part of the robot that turns it off and on.
And then you have the photoresistors that sense light.
Next you have the potentiometers that
control how much light you need.
the wires connect all the parts in the circuit. They have to be connected exactly how the instructions say, or the robot will not work. But don't worry, the breadboard makes it easy to move the parts around.
See, the last part you need is the motors. And the motors, they spin and they generate vibration into the bristles to make the robot move. Alright, so now that you have your pieces to the bristle bot, we're going to show you how to build it. First thing you need to know is your breadboard has a sticky cover on the bottom. All you got to do is peel that off and put the battery pack on it. Now make sure you put the battery pack on the middle or you won't have room for the toothbrush heads. Let's get building!
So now you can turn your robot on. And as you can see, when we turn the switch on, the circuit is opening and it's making all the power go to the motors. But as you can see, our robot is moving by itself with the light that's above.
We want our robot to be controlled by a flashlight, not by the light in the room. Now, as you can plainly see, it's being controlled by the light in the room. And how we're gonna make it being controlled by a flashlight is we just turn on the switch, then we use the potentiometers, and the potentiometers is your way of setting how much light you need to turn the robot on. So if we just turn the potentiometers down, the motors will turn off. So with those potentiometers turned down, the robot is off. Now we shine the flashlight on it and it moves. Now with the flashlight you can make it turn one way or the other. Yeah. And so that's pretty much how the bristle bot. How you build a light following bristle bot. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everyone!